Start mechanical design, part design, sketcher. Select the plane and select the sketcher toolbar. Now we enter into the sketcher workbench. We have seen profile, and now we are seeing rectangular. This toolbar. In this toolbar we have these all options. In these options we have learn rectangle and oriented rectangle, parallelogram. Now we want to learn elongated hole. Okay, see here is sketch toolbar. Once again it's sketch tools. Okay, select the elongated hole. See options: radius, horizontal, vertical, length and angle. 5 options is there here, and 5 dimensions we have to give to draw the elongated hole. So I am selecting here origin point to get increasing length. Tap 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 tap. Length I want to give 250. See, this is the 250 length. Now I can't increase. Now see, my cursor is outside of this point, means from this point to this point it is 250 length. Okay, confirm. 250 is confirmed. Now I am giving click. Okay, see here 250 mm is confirmed. Now what I want, radius. Okay, see here radius. I want to give radius 40. Confirm. This is the elongated hole. Okay, it is also used plenty of times in drawing. Okay, useful tool it is. Here select it first, radius itself 50. I am selecting 50. Okay, now I am selecting some point here, and length 200. Enter, and giving point here. See here automatically we got some profile. Here initially we draw a line, later we gave a radius dimension, but for this we have given first radius, later we have given length. Okay, see this profile is fully constrained here because we have drawn this profile on horizontal axis, so it is connected with the horizontal axis, that's why it is fully constrained. And also we have given dimension 250. Line length, and 40 is radius. Here also we gave 50 radius and 200 line length, but it is constrained, it is not constrained. Now we have to constrain this. Let's constrain option line to this horizontal axis I am giving. Okay, 147 is there, I am giving 150. Now these lines are constrained because we have constrained by H horizontal line. Now once move this profile, it is moving in which direction? See, now I am moving up and down, it is not moving, but it moving in horizontal axis. Why? Because this vertical direction I give this constraint 150. There is no horizontal constraint. Okay, now I am giving horizontal constraint also, this point to vertical line. So it is wrong, connected by wrong constraint. Point to line. Okay, here what is the dimension? 14 is there. I am giving 250. See, it is a constraint by vertical line. Now it is fully constrained. Okay, for to constrain the elongated profile, we have to constrain this line and radius. We have to give these two dimensions importantly. Later on, this profile is connected with vertical and horizontal axis. Then it will fully constrain. Okay. Thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.